Excavator brands. Caterpillar is from United States. Komatsu is from Japan. Seni Excavator is from China. Tata Excavator brands is from India. Hydrema Excavator is from Denmark. Mechalak Excavator brands is from France. Kato Excavator is from Japan. Doosan Excavator brands is from South Korea. Volvo Excavator brands is from Sweden. Bobcat Excavator brands is from United States. Liaogang Excavator is from China. Menzi Excavator is from Switzerland. JCB Excavator brands is from United Kingdom. Hydromech Excavator brands is from Turkey. Eurocomic Excavator is from Italy. Power Plus Excavator brands is from Singapore. Photon Excavator brands is from China. John Deere Excavator brands is from United States. Kobelco Excavator brands is from Japan. Hyundai Excavator brands is from South Korea.